Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, recently a pupil asked me that ma'am, I really want to learn this language. I really want to speak in English. Can you tell me is grammar necessary to speak in English? Because I don't know lots of grammar. I know a little amount of grammar, and I think that most of the people said that if you really want to speak in English, so you have to know entire grammar. So please tell me, is it true? Okay, so I thought that this is a question asked by people, asked by a person, and I thought that why am I not create a video on this topic, because this is a common question asked by every English learner, and this question running in everyone mind, because everyone wants to learn this language. It's a wonderful language, but because of this mentality, because of this myth, they are not going to learn this language. First thing is that, okay, let's talk about grammar. If you should know, if you know entire amount of grammar, okay, and you are not focusing on lsrw, you are not focusing on listening, reading, writing, speaking, but you are always consuming a lot of a lot of knowledge about the grammar, and you are not practicing in English. So can you speak in English? Of course not. Okay, now let's talk about other thing. Okay, if you know some amount knowledge about the grammar, and you are focusing on four aspects like lsrw, like listening, speaking, reading, writing, you are focusing lots of amount on four aspects. So, what do you think? Can you speak in English fluently? Yes, of course you can. So, the point is that, okay, for speaking, grammar is not too much use. If you really want to speak in English, so you have to focus on four aspects, and we know, everyone know that if you really want to learn any language, so there are four aspects like lsrw: L for listening, R for reading, S for speaking, and W for writing. So you have to focus four aspects for learning any kind of language. Okay, and if you know some amount knowledge about the grammar, so your speaking, your English, your any language should be correct. Okay, but if you are consuming lot of grammar and not focusing, not practicing on four aspects equally, so you can't learn any language. You're just consuming, you are not going to speak out, so you can't learn any language. Okay, so first thing is that, just remove this mentality, because everyone assume that if you really want to learn this language, so you have to focus whole grammar. No, it's not. I'm not saying that grammar is not important. Definitely grammar is important, but not too much. If you have a little amount of knowledge about the grammar, and like tenses, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and some modal verbs, some prepositions, so that's enough. Okay, that's enough. And if you are focusing on four aspects like listening, reading, writing, or speaking, and using some a little amount of grammar, so your English speaking journey is improving. Okay, will improving. So focus on four aspects, not too much focus on consuming lot of grammar. Okay, so first thing is that, what is the difference between knowing and doing? Knowing means consuming a lot of knowledge, that means you are knowing, and doing means practicing in English. So what you need to do, you need to just focus on doing, not focus on knowing every time. Knowing, okay, if you have some knowledge, that's good. Okay, because knowing is a knowledge and doing is a skill. If you are practicing every day, every time, again and again, so your knowledge will convert to skill. And English is speaking is a skill. Okay, it's not a knowledge, it's a skill. So it is just like approach, mechanic approach or driving approach. What is the mechanic approach? A mechanic can know everything about the vehicles. He can put a small pieces and just to put it in the back. He can put out the vehicle in a small pieces and just put the back again. But who can drive the vehicles more perfectly? A driver can drive the vehicles more perfectly than the mechanic. Even he don't know about the nuts and bolts of the vehicle, but he can drive it more perfectly than the mechanic. So we are all consuming a lot of grammar. We are focusing a lot of on consuming and becoming a mechanic. No, we don't need to becoming consuming a lot of knowledge of grammar. We have to focus on driving, because English language, English speaking is a practicing skill, is a driving skill. So we have to focus on driving approach, not focus on mechanic approach. So first thing is that first thing is that uh, uh, stop mechanic approach and catch driving approach. So this is the difference of knowing and doing. Knowing is a knowledge and doing is a skill. If you do again and again, if you do practice again and again, so your knowledge will convert into the skill. And skill, when you once find, okay, you are perfect to drive your car, you are perfect to drive, you speak in English, so you can easily find your confidence. And once you find your confidence, then you will speak out anywhere. You can't fumble, stuckness, and shivering while any opportunity will come to you. Okay, first thing is that, okay, find out your focusing. Where are you focused? If you are focused on grammar, then you can't speak in English. If you are focused on practicing, okay, and you have some amount knowledge about the grammar, so you can speak in English fluently. Okay, but what after that, what you need to do, you need to focus, do practice every day. So, okay, once you know how to speak in English fluently, so you have to practice every day. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you how did I learn this language. But before going to the video, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, so what exactly I did to learn this language? First thing is that I took 3 steps. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you my 3 steps, and you can consider them as my today tips. Okay, first thing is that I never miss out a single opportunity. Okay, I never missed out. Whenever I get some time, whenever I go outside while traveling, whenever I get time and I was free at my home, I just start to consuming a lot of English content, like listening, reading or writing. Okay, when I was traveling outside, whenever I go to outside, and I just start to listening some content which is related to English. Okay, because I want to learn this language, and either I have two options: I can entertain, I can, watch any movie on YouTube, but I just used my time by consuming lot of English content. Okay, so first thing is that which is I have done. Okay, and also I'm doing that. Okay, so the next thing which I am going to share with you in this video, the next thing which I did is, okay, I just I don't make any type of excuse, like I have no environment, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, because I think that it's my choice to speak in English. So why I am, excuse every time that I have not atmosphere, I am not from the convent school, so that's why I can't speak in English. No, I just solve my all the problem, because solving the problem is going to solve your problem actually. Okay, but if you are always giving excuse that I have no one with whom I can practice in English, and I have not from the English medium school, I have not from the convent school, so that's why I not going, I can't speak in English. No, it's not going to help you even 0.1%. It's not going to help you. So first thing is that I don't give any kind of excuse. Okay, I know I am from Hindi medium school, and I am not from the English medium school, but I really want to learn this language. So what I did, I just make my surroundings, I just made my surroundings totally on English. Okay, whenever I learn, I listen, that is English. Okay, and whenever I read, that is English. Just in this way I made my surroundings. Okay, so this is second rule. And the third rule is that, okay, there are lots of people. Okay, when you are going to, when I, if I talk about myself, when I started my journey, so it was very difficult for me, because there are lots of people, and they always taunting you, they always demotivating you while you are learning any kind of skill. So it was summer vacation, so I have a lot of time, and one day I just scroll mobile, and I saw our English interview in English. So I was very, I was very impressed by this interview, and I think it's my it's my passion to learn this language, but different kind of situation and different kind of circumstances, so I did not get any time to learn this language. So why am I not starting my journey from today? So that's why I started my journey. And it was it's my profession, it's related to my profession. My profession is that, is teaching profession, so it's related to my profession, like education. So I think use this time, it's a wonderful time, and whenever you get time, just start to learn this language. Use your time, make you perfect you, and there are lots of things. Okay, you it's up to you, whatever you want to learn. If you want to learn anything new, then just start your journey. I hope you like my video, because that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.